Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Tim Torah coming at you, and today is Friday, May 5th, 2017. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And yesterday, the first activity that my family partook in was going to the Butterfly Palace and Rainforest Adventure in Branson, Missouri. And this is a quaint little spot in the city that is definitely worth your time. So I'm going to take you through a whole bunch of pictures with butterflies and reptiles and things like that. And hopefully we'll get you more informed. So let's get into it. Here is a panoramic shot of the Branson cityscape. First shot of the interior of the palace, and you can see the winding step area that leads up to the second floor where the Butterfly Palace is. And in this second shot, you can see all kinds of wares and trinkets for sale. And here we have Stephanie, Evelyn, who's 1, and Braden, who's 2. And Braden is certainly getting into the toys for sale. And this is called the Banyan Tree Adventure. It is for kids where they can play around, and these cords that run up and down are meant to be the root structure of the banyan tree. The banyan tree comes from primarily Asia, but also some varieties come from the Americas. And it is a fig tree, and I'm going to get into a lot of trivia with the banyan tree in the next shot. Now, as I stated, the banyan tree is a fig tree. It has many varieties, and it can be a ginormous tree. And as far as trivia goes, some of the fun facts from this room were 10,000 people can sit under the shade of a banyan tree. Now it says, did you know that a banyan leaf is 10 to 20 centimeters long? And that's about 4 to 8 inches. In India, they are used as plates. The bark and leaf buds of the tree can be used to stop bleeding, which would be called coagulation. And fun fact number 3, I believe, is the fruit, or the fig, from the banyan tree has a soothing effect on skin and alleviates swelling and pain. Okay, so those are the additional factoids that I have for you regarding this tree. So here's the first shot from inside the Butterfly Palace portion. You're going to see a lot of butterflies, and I'm going to try to identify them for you. I want to point out that all the vegetation is real. It is warm in the facility for the butterflies, and even the rock that juts out from one of the walls is part of the natural landscape. So here we have Braden starting to get interested. And each visitor is given this fake flower with orange Gatorade at the bottom. And of course, the butterflies will land onto the flower and try to get the Gatorade for that sugary nectar drink. So that's this shot. Now, I want to point out that this area is not too big, but it provides a lot of fun because of the butterflies that are there. And so you typically spend maybe 30 to 60 minutes in this room. Some cool vegetation here as well. Here Stephanie has a lacewing butterfly, which calls home Southeastern Asia and also as far as Australia. As I say, this is real rock. There's a lot of rock in this area of the country. This is most likely a Sappho longwing, which was described in 1782 by Drew Drury and is found from Mexico to Ecuador. This is the paper kite butterfly, which can be found in southeastern Asia and northern Australia. And some nice flowers here. Not sure of the subspecies here, but I'm really trying to get a nice, clear, clean, and crisp shot here, and that's what you have. More of the paper kite butterfly, aka rice paper butterfly. This is the zebra longwing, and it calls its home the southern United States, Mexico and Central America and South America. In this photo, the thoraxes of the both butterflies are really arched. I'm not sure of exactly what's happening, but you can see the arch on actually both of them. So that's what you see in this shot. 20 seconds to read this. Variety unknown, but certainly a beauty. I did do quite a bit of searching online for butterfly subspecies and varieties. I did not find everything. There are so many different subspecies, but so these I do not know what they are, but again, they are very interesting looking. And 16 seconds to read. And this is the forest mort blue butterfly, which hails from Central and South Americas and has the deceptive eye feature. Great shot of Braden here playing explorer. And it looks like here we have some chrysalises of butterfly pupa before they turn into butterfly. And the word is not only chrysalises, but also chrysalides, which is the plural form. Another stage of the metamorphosis process. Not sure of what this is, but it is along the way. And this looks like the end goal, the butterfly stage. 25 seconds to read this information. This is a male great Mormon, which is native to southern Asia. And here is another variety of the common Mormon for comparison. This plant is the U-plum pine, aka Buddhist pine, and it hails from southern Japan and also southern and eastern China. Now this beautiful guy is Morphopelides, aka Pelides blue morpho, common morpho, or the emperor, and it is found in Mexico, Central America, northern South America, Paraguay, and Trinidad. Some interesting tidbits about Hawaii here. "15 seconds here. "15 more. And how can we help the butterfly world? So this place has a fabulous mirror maze. You can see Braden's reflection and my reflection as well. It takes about 5 minutes to get through. And this begins the Rainforest adventure portion, which is small, but here you can see Braden with a turtle. And here we have a turtle or tortoise sunning itself. And this is a shot of a frilled lizard, which comes from Australia and Papua New Guinea. Lifespan is 10 years old. Size is between 2 and 3 feet. And the primary diet is insectivorous at times and carnivorous. Now, there is a note on here, and I'm going to read it. It says, the frilled lizard expands its frilled neck to make assertive statements and to regulate body temperature. Both males and females have frills. Okay, so this is a male panther chameleon, and it hails from Madagascar. It has a lifespan of 5 to 7 years. 15 seconds. And some more time to read. This is a red-bellied piranha from the Amazon River Basin. These are poison dart frogs, and I am going to read a sentence that I found on Wikipedia. It says, the most poisonous of these frogs, the golden poison frog, has enough toxin on average to kill 10 to 20 men, or about 10,000 mice. So that's the most dangerous of all poison dart frogs. This is a shot of the spiny-tailed monitor, which is found in Australia and has a lifespan of 15 to 20 years when properly housed and maintained. It is a carnivore, and it reaches 24 to 28 inches long. And the card here reads, the spiny-tailed monitor, or Aki's monitor, has spikes around its tail that face backwards, making it difficult to pull them from their tight rock outcroppings. This tree is pronounced as baobab. Some more time to read. And the same. This is about the different layers of the tropical rainforest. So this last shot concludes my family's trip to the Butterfly Palace and Rainforest Adventure in Branson. It is a nice place to visit for the kids to see all the butterflies as well as adults. So it's certainly something to check out if you're in the area. And obviously, as you can see, a lot of factoids in here, just like many museums. So if you are in the area, please check it out. As always, I thank you guys very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments that you like. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and what you'd like to see. Share. And as always, today is now Sunday, May 7th, 2017. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks very much, and take care. Bye-bye.